This channel was started almost 5 months ago on June 27, 2025, and now it's December and it's already gained 66.8k subscribers and with just 29 videos. That shows that how much successful this channel is, and this channel is making between 3k to 9k dollars, so which is just amazing, and it uploads one video per week, and that's it. And if you just look at it, the oldest video is just 5 months ago and it has gained 66k subscribers, which is just amazing. And all the videos are very simple and easy. If you go to the popular videos, you can see it got 1.7 million views, and almost all the videos is 1 lakh plus. If you go to its latest video, you can see it got 10k views, 9.5k, 6.3k, and it is getting consistent views. This one got 138k views, which is just amazing. So in this video I will show you how you can replicate this channel with the help of AI, and the entire process of making a one video will not take you more than 15 minutes. Yes, even if you are a beginner, because editing is very simple and image creation or idea generation or script generation is very simple. I'll show you using the AI. You'll find the link of all the tools I use in this video so that you can easily replicate this channel. If you are excited about learning this method, then hit the like button, because I will show you the AI system which will help you to produce content very fast and very easily. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I'll not bore you with how to create a new channel. So that's very easy. Just look at the YouTube. There are so many channels. So you don't have to waste a lot of time in creating the YouTube channel. Just make it simple. Keep a simple logo, simple name. Just ask the ChatGPT to give you different ideas similar to this channel, and it would give you pick the one and create. Ask the ChatGPT also to create the logo or the banner. Let it be simple, because these things are not important yet. What is important is your content and your consistency. If you upload the videos consistently with amazing quality, not as quality in terms of the script but not in terms of visuals, so that would obviously blow up. So just don't do that. So next is the most important part, and that is video idea generation. So if you want to be successful on YouTube, you have to find the perfect idea for the video, because if your video idea is good, then obviously it would perform well on the YouTube and in the search result or in the browse feature. The only best way to get the perfect video idea for AI channel is by going to a competitor channel. So in this case we are replicating this channel, so we'll go to its popular videos. So all of these are its popular videos which have gained millions of views for this channel, so we are going to replicate that. So what we'll do, we will select all of these like this, and then we will just copy that, and then I'll give you the prompt for generating the video ideas. So you'll find the link to this document. So first of all, you have to just copy this video prompt and then go to the ChatGPT, and here you just need to paste this prompt, and then you need to go to the competitor's channel and just copy all its popular videos which we have just copied, and then come over here, and here on this page or this option, paste topic. So just select this and just press Ctrl V. So we have pasted all the video ideas, and then we have to simply press enter, and then it would analyze it and would give you the video ideas which will definitely work, which will not be similar but which will be totally different but in a similar niche or similar way or on the similar topic. So you can see it has given us 10 video ideas. So now we have got the video ideas. So you have to just select all of these and create a new document. So just create a new document and paste these titles. Okay, that would be safe for us. And then is the time to generate the script for this. So again, you will find the script template. Just select all of these and select this prompt, go to the ChatGPT again and paste this prompt right over here, and here we need to go back to our video ideas or video titles which ChatGPT just gave us. Like this one, your daily routine is making you tired. Here is how to fix no one tells you. Just copy this one and go back to the ChatGPT. Over here you will find this option like this topic. Just paste your prompt or title, video title right over here, and then simply you have to just press enter and it would generate an amazing script based on this one. You can see it has also given a hook and this script and everything. All right, now the next part is creating the visual for the script. So let it finish and I'll show you. Meanwhile, let's go to the prompt document, and here we will see all these image prompts. Just select all of this image prompt up to here, Control C to copy it and go back to the ChatGPT, and now paste this prompt right over here and then copy the script which ChatGPT just gave us, this one from the hook. And okay, let's copy it and then come over here, and here you will find this option pasted script. So here you need to just paste your script and then press enter. So ChatGPT will give us the image prompt similar to this channel, and you can see we have got all these image prompt for each part, each section. Now we need to just select all of these, and you can go to the Whisk AI. If you go to the Whisk AI, if I search, that is the free tool from the Google, so you can use any image generator as well, but I would prefer Whisk AI. First of all, you have to sign in with your account. Once you have signed it, you can paste your image prompt right over here. So here you have to paste one prompt at a time, and then you need to generate the image, then you need to download it, but that would take you forever. But I will reveal you my secret method where I generate all the images in one go. So all you have to do, just go to a new tab and search for Auto Whisk extension. Okay, and you will find the link to this Auto Whisk, this one, and click on the add to Chrome and click add extension, and here you need to just pin it right over here. Just select this and you will find, click on this pin icon to pin it right over here so that we can easily access it. Thereafter you have to just go to the Whisk tab, and then you need to click on this Auto Whisk extension and it would open up like this. So here you have to just select this one. If you see this in different language, just drop this down and select your language like English, and we will select this version 7.6. Click on this and prompt list. Here we will paste all our prompt, and then we need to go to the settings, and in the settings language should be English always, and auto download, make sure this is checked so that you don't have to manually download it, and click on the control. Just come down on the bottom. Here we need to select our aspect ratio. Since we are making long form videos, so we'll select the 16:9 and make sure the image count is set to 1. And if you want, you can also add the reference image, but our prompt is well enough, so we don't need that one. All you have to do now, just click on the start and it would start generating all the images. So you can see the preview of generated images right over here. So it has all listed all our prompts, which is around 39, and you can see it has generated one right over here. If you click on this, you will see the preview. This is the image exactly similar to that channel which we are replicating, and it would also download all of these, so you don't have to do anything. With just one single click you can just automate the entire task. So Faceless channel is all about the automation. The more tasks you can automate, that would save you a lot of time and hustles. So if you go to your downloads, it will show you all the downloaded images. So you can see this is the first one, second, third, fourth. So you don't have to do anything. Let it generate and download it for you. Now we'll go to the next part, and that is generating the AI voiceover. So we will be using AI voiceover for this one, and for this we will be using the #1 tool for AI voiceover, and that is ElevenLabs. So just go to the ElevenLabs. You will find the link in the description. Just sign up. You will get the free credit, so you don't have to purchase the plan yet. First test it and it would give you 10,000 credits. If you click through my link, The link is in the description. That's my affiliate link. And if you'll purchase the plan later on or upgrade your free plan to the paid plan, that would help this channel. So first of all, we will just copy the entire script and paste it on a document. And if you just analyze this script, you can see there are so many things. Hook, and you can see section 1. We want the clean script so that we can simply paste it in the ElevenLabs and generate the voiceover. So we'll go to the chat GPT and some of the same chat that please give me clean script without time code or other stuff like hook, etc. So that generate voice with AI. Alright, so all you have to write in plain and simple language and just wait for it to give you the script, entire script without any of these type and all that. Alright, so once we have done that, it has just removed all our sections also. So we'll ask it once again that please keep all the sections, title and numbers. Okay, so that would make sense in the editing. Okay, so still this one is a good one because it has removed those time codes that makes the voiceover, and that would take a lot of time to remove in the editing. Okay, so now we have got the clean script, you can see. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to just copy the entire script. So we will not copy the hook, we'll just copy this one. I am telling you everything in detail so that you understand and what problem you can simply face. Okay, and go back to our script template, and in the end we are going to paste it. We'll keep the original script as it is so that at the time of editing, if we need any of the reference, we can go to the original script. Okay, so let's enter it, and this is the original, this is the script. Okay, and here we can just delete this one, ending and summary and CTA, because we don't want that in the voiceover. So section 5, what to try tonight, that's fine. Section 4 is also good, or step 3. Okay, step 1, step 2. Okay, that's good. I think can simply remove the section, the fix, just remove this one section, and in this one also. Okay, these are the some small things which you obviously need to perform to avoid sounding like AI. Okay, these are the mistakes which AI just does. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to copy the entire script, and if you want to see how much characters they are, just simply press Ctrl+Shift+C and click on this option, display word counts. So it has got 808 words and it has got 4745 characters. Okay, we will get the free 10,000 credits, so we can just utilize it and generate this script very easily. Let's go to the ElevenLabs, and here we will come on the text to speech. We can paste our script right over here, and from here we can just choose the voice. So just click on this and let's listen to it.
Our distrust is very expensive.
Okay, this one is also good.
Just trust yourself.
Let's go for
As we are liberated from our...
The thing always happens that you really believe in.
Okay, that one is also good. So you can pick any voice you like.
Life without love is like a tree without blossom.
Alright, this one is also good. I'll just go for this voice. Just select this one, and thereafter you can, if you want, you can adjust these settings, but by default it's good to go. So it has got, you can see, 4825 characters of 5,000. So we get the 10,000 credits absolutely free if you go through my link, and thereafter you have to simply click on the generate speech. And so it has generated the voiceover, and all you have to do, just click on this download button, and somehow if you just don't see the download option, just click on this expand audio player and you will see the download link right over here. Or you can simply go to the history option or history tab. Here you will see all of your generated voiceover. Just click on the download and you will get your voiceover. So this is just super realistic and very amazing. And you can see the auto whisk has also completed downloading all our images. Now what we have to do, simply you can see this is our voiceover and these are our images. Now simply use any of the video editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro. I prefer Premiere Pro. All you have to do, just match the visuals with the audio, and that's it, and you are good to go. Now the only thing left is creating the thumbnail similar to this channel. I have also made that easy for you. All you have to do, just go to the prompt doc, and here you will find the thumbnail prompt. So all you have to do, just copy the entire thumbnail prompt, copy it and go back to the ChatGPT once again, paste it right over here, and we need the title of our video. So this is the title of our video, and I'll just copy this title, go back to the ChatGPT, and here you will find an option of video title. So just paste it right over here and simple press enter. ChatGPT would give us a prompt. So all you have to do, just copy the entire prompt, and you can ask the ChatGPT also to generate the image or thumbnail for you. So you can see ChatGPT has just introduced ChatGPT image 1.5. So here if you click on this images tab right on the left hand side, you will see all of these options. So these different styles are there, so you don't have to select the style, and we will just simply paste it this prompt. And if we click on the add photos, we can also upload the similar photo or the similar style of a similar thumbnail of our competitor. Otherwise, let's leave it and press enter. So it's going to generate the image. Meanwhile, we can go to the Whisk AI also, and we can paste this prompt, and then where we need to select the aspect ratio. So if we click on this, make sure it's the landscape 16:9, and then press enter. So Whisk will also generate the thumbnail, and ChatGPT would also. So you can pick any of the image which you like. So you can see Whisk has already generated. This is very simple and easy and very amazing one. You can pick any of these thumbnails, either this one or this one. I think this one is much better, I think, and I can simply click on the download button to download it. And if I go back to the ChatGPT is still creating this image. Let's see how the ChatGPT result comes out. This is the Whisk image or thumbnail created by Whisk. And if we go this one is also very good. You can see this is just amazing. We can simply download it, and if I show you the side by side comparison, so you can see here we have both the thumbnails. This one is from ChatGPT and this one is from the Whisk AI. So both are good. I think this one is more cinematic, more amazing. You can go with this one or this one, whichever you like.
Do you ever follow a perfect daily routine? Wake up early, study, work out, drink water, plan your day, and somehow you're still exhausted, like you're more tired than before you even tried to be productive. That's not a motivation problem. That's a routine problem. No one really talks about it because most routines online are designed to look good, not to feel good. Today I want to show you why your daily routine is draining you and the simple fix that actually gives you energy back.
And that's it, guys. That's very easy and simple. If you like this video, if you want more of this type of videos, please do let me know in the comments. And if you want me to break down any other channel, please do let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.